Oh my days, this guy's not a baddie.
You have a loft bed. You're in your childhood room. You can't handle baddies. You gotta walk past your mom and dad to get a baddie into your room, and then say, "Mind the steps." I always hit my knee on the third one. Can't do that. You can't fucking do that. That's not gonna work. How about you fucking work on the confidence to talking to them in real life before you try and get a baddie?
You're funny.
Yeah, thank you.